आपने इनका पीरियड एक्सटेंड कर दिया कि खत्म हो गया कल? पूछ रहे हैं इनसे,
जानकारी नहीं, मैं
बिगर जानकारी के क्यों खड़े होते हैं आप लोग? आपके अधिकारी खड़े हैं, उनको ये नहीं मालूम है कि एक्सटेंड हुआ नहीं हुआ, नहीं तो पिटीशन खत्म कर देंगे।
एज पर माई इंफॉर्मेशन 9 तारीख को एक्सटेंड
एक्सटेंड हो गया।
हुआ है नहीं हुआ है? कब?
9/5/2025 कलेक्टर साहब का आदेश होगा 9 मई 2025।
एक बार स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने कंफर्म कर दिया, उसके बाद कलेक्टर उसको एक्सटेंड करता है। कहाँ पावर है कलेक्टर को एक्सटेंड करने की?
दिया है 9 तारीख को।
कहाँ है बताइए तो थोड़ा सा। Once the state government has come into play, फिर कलेक्टर कैसे करेगा? अच्छा ठीक है। Shri, what's your good name, please? Manuraj Singh. Shri Manuraj Singh, learned counsel for the petitioner. Shri, through video conferencing, assisted by आपका जो नाम Mrs. Saroj Daheria, learned counsel for the petitioner. Shri Manas Mani Verma, learned government advocate, along with Shri
Udayabhan Raghuvanshi.
Udayabhan Raghuvanshi. It is submitted that कौन आया था उस दिन? 9 तारीख। क्या है आप? क्या करते हैं आप?
सर मैं सर्विस करता हूँ।
सर्विस में किस पद पर हैं?
ग्रेड 2 है सर। सहायक ग्रेड 2।
सहायक ग्रेड 2। तो आप क्या लगे थे भारत की सुरक्षा में? क्या योगदान था आपका?
सर मेरे को बीमार हुए थे तो
बीमार होना अलग चीज है। ये पहलगांव अटैक लिख रहा है एप्लीकेशन के अंदर। पहलगांव उसमें सिविल डिफेंस की क्या तैयारी में व्यस्त थे गोरेलाल जी?
सर मैं नहीं देखता हूँ।
नहीं देखते ना?
एसओ साहब बीमार हो गए थे।
एसओ साहब बीमार हुए तो उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? आपने ये कहाँ लिखा इसमें एसओ साहब बीमार हुए थे आवेदन में? कहाँ लिखा है आपने कि एसओ साहब
कहते रहे ना कि वहां तक आ गए हैं, अभी टाइम लग रहा है, आ रहे हैं।
यही लेट हुए हैं। 11:30 बजे की नोट
सब आया है,
5 बजे पहुंचे।
5 बजे आया।
उसके कैसे हो जाएगा? आपने तो यहाँ कारण जो लिखा है वो ये लिखा है आवेदन में।
ये तो नहीं लिखा कि लेट हो गए थे।
ये एसओ साहब बीमार पड़ गए थे तो लिखा नहीं। आपने लिखा है अनएक्सपेक्टेड एंड इमरजेंसी सर्कमस्टांसेस हैव अरिजन at the national level which have become very serious at present, in relation to which Home Department of MP is the nodal agency at the state level. It is humbly submitted that court to appear on ITNA along with the original record. Thereafter, the concerned employee was directed by Home Secretary to appear along with the original. The concerned employee was late in reaching the ITNA and could reach at 5 p.m. By then, the order referred to by the Honorable Court had been passed, due to which the record could not be produced before the Honorable Court. होगा सर, लेकिन इसको रिपोर्ट के साथ मजाक कर सर। ये फर्स्ट पिटीशन क्या लिखा? It is submitted that in terms of the provisions contained in section 3 within bracket 5 of the National Security Act 1980, the state government was obliged to make a communication, was obliged to report the fact to the central government together with the grounds on which the order has been made within 7 days of the date when order is made or approved by the state government under this section. And therefore it is submitted that since original order was passed on 13/11/2024 by the concerned district magistrate, therefore its communication on 26/11/2024 will be beyond the period of 7 days mentioned in subsection 5 of section 3 of NSA Act 1980. Therefore the proceedings are likely to be उनका कंटेंशन लिखा क्या लिखा? likely to be impugned order is likely to be set aside. Next one. It is also submitted that the grounds on which the offences which have been registered against the petitioner are not sufficient to invoke National Security Act 1980, and there are sufficient provisions under different acts to punish the petitioner. Full stop. Next one. Shri Manasmani Verma has produced the original receipt bearing registration number E17 1710 713892 in, मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ E1710 713892 in IVR
कैपिटल में रहेगा
IN कैपिटल में रहेगा.
सर रहने दे दो.
चलिए. Showing dispatch of communication to the Additional Secretary Home Department, New Delhi on 26/11/2024. Full stop. It is submitted that though the order was passed by the district magistrate on 13/11/2024, but it was confirmed by the respondent state on 19/11/2025, and since communication was made to the state, to the Union of India within 7 days, therefore first ground is not maintainable. Full stop. As far as second ground is concerned, it is pointed out that there are several cases registered against the petitioner, and those cases refer to time and again violation of the law by in the hands of the petitioner, and therefore in view of such facts. Full stop. It is also submitted that the offence are of such nature which have an impact of disturbing the peace and tranquility and causing inter-religion discord, and therefore invocation of the provisions of National Security Act 1980 cannot be faulted with. Next paragraph. Shri Manasmani Verma also submits that he has filed IA number ले लीजिएगा जिससे इतना an application for recalling order dated IA number 8342/25, an application for recalling order dated 9/5/25. Full stop. Next paragraph. As far as merits of the case are concerned, comma, there are two parts in the National Security Act. Full stop. Subsection 3 of Section 3 grants authority in and jurisdiction in favor of a district magistrate or a commissioner of police, comma, to direct that during such period as may be specified in the order, comma, if the conditions provided in subsection 2 are satisfied, then the authority of imposing ban on National Security Act 1980 can be exercised. Full stop. Thereafter, subsection 4 provides that if an authority is exercised by an officer mentioned in subsection within bracket 3 bracket close, comma, he shall forthwith report the fact to the state government to which he is subordinate together with the grounds on which the order has been made. Full stop. Next paragraph. Thereafter, subsection 5 of section 3 provides that when any order is made or approved by the state government under this section, comma, the state government shall, comma, within 7 days, comma, report the fact to the central government along together with the grounds on which the order has been made and such other particulars as, comma, in the opinion of the state government, comma, have a bearing on the necessity for the order, full stop. Next paragraph. Thus, it is evident that if order is passed, original order is passed by the state government, then it is to be communicated from the date. It is to be communicated within 7 days of the date and the state government passed the original order of detention. Next. Except, stop. If the original order is not passed by the state government, but it is passed by the district magistrate or the commissioner of police, as the case may be, as mentioned in subsection 3 of section 3, then he is required to send it to the state government for approval and the date of and then the date of approval by the state government will be the material date for the purpose of computing the limitation for communicating the orders approved by the state government. Full stop. Next paragraph. In the present case, since admittedly state government approved the orders on 19/11/2024 wide annexure R5, therefore its communication on 26/11/2024 being within the prescribed time period as given in subsection 5 of section 3 cannot be faulted with, and it cannot be said that orders of approval were not communicated to the Union of India within the prescribed time. Next paragraph. Thus first ground fails. Next paragraph. As far as second ground is concerned, comma, when impugned order is examined, then in terms of the provisions contained in section 3, comma, once state was of the opinion that the state or the delegated authority were of the opinion that peace and tranquility of the area can be disturbed due to the acts of the petitioner and there are chances of disruption of communal harmony, then that being an act that being decided by the district magistrate taking into consideration the ground realities, comma, it is not sufficient to say that since there are other provisions under law under which petitioners could have been dealt with, comma, therefore NSA cannot be attracted. Provisions of NSA cannot be attracted is not made out. Full stop. In our opinion, since petitioner has failed to make out both the grounds, petition fails and is dismissed. Next para. As far as IA 8342/25 is concerned, ये इसका नंबर ले लेना है दूसरी वाली 8343 है 86 में और 8342 है 87 में, ठीक है, करेक्ट कर लेना. Is concerned, comma, a plea is taken by the state that due to Pahalgam terrorist attack on 22/4/2025, comma, emergency circumstances had arisen at the national level which became very serious and therefore the respondent could not appear in time. Full stop. Next one. Shri Gorilal, assistant grade 2.
सर फोन
हाँ?
से आया हूँ सर.
अरे आप 4th से आए 5th से आए उससे क्या मतलब पड़ता है? आए तो आप ही थे ना, हाँ. Submits that he was deputed by the concerned Department of Home to take the original record to this court. Full stop. he submits that concerned section officer was not keeping good health and therefore file was given to him, original file was given to him to be shown to the court at 11:30 a.m. and therefore he could leave Bhopal only at 12 noon, resulting in delay in approach to this court. Next pair. The fact of the matter is that Shri Yash Soni, learned Deputy Advocate General, who appeared on the last date, admitted that he had communicated the order in time. Full stop. Ill health of section officer is not mentioned as a ground in the application for not appearing before the court in time. Full stop. Shri Gorelal admits that he has no duty in regard to maintenance of civil defense in the state. He is only working as a class 3 employee who has been promoted from a class 4 post. Therefore, in the name of Pahalgaon terrorist attack or the situation which emerged thereafter, calling for a national response, has nothing to do with the delayed handing over of the file to Shri Gorelal and consequent delayed approach to the High Court. Full stop. Therefore, the ground which is mentioned by the state in its application is neither genuine nor bona fide. Therefore, application fails and is rejected. Let cost be now deposited by the state government within 7 days.
सर, एक निवेदन करना था सर.
हाँ.
होम सेक्रेटरी जब इनको देगा सीक्रेट डॉक्यूमेंट है साहब,
हाँ.
देन
तो सेक्रेटरी का एफिडेविट कहाँ है कि कब दिया सेक्रेटरी ने इनको?
वो इसमें नोट शीट में है साहब.
नोट शीट में क्या करेंगे? इसके साथ क्यों नहीं लगाया आपने?
वो
सेक्रेटरी नोट शीट बाद में कुछ भी बनाए, सेक्रेटरी से भरवा लीजिएगा कॉस्ट.
नहीं, उसी
ये थोड़ा ना देखिए, वो अभी आपने बताया एसओ बीमार था, अब सेक्रेटरी हो गया.
नहीं नहीं मैं वो
सॉरी,
ओरिजिनल नोट शीट में दिखाने के
दिखाइए, ओरिजिनल नोट शीट दिखाइए, क्या लिखा है. ऐसा ना हो सेक्रेटरी साहब के ऊपर कॉस्ट लग
नहीं
जाए.
साहब, सेक्रेटरी सीएम के साथ कोऑर्डिनेट में थे.
हाँ.
तो 8 तारीख को आदेश दिया साहब आपने.
हाँ हाँ,
तो सुबह
क्या लिखा है उसमें?
सुबह सेक्रेटरी साहब ने ये आदेशित किया कि ये डॉक्यूमेंट माननीय उच्च न्यायालय के समक्ष पेश किया जाए, तब ये मिला साहब. ये सब प्रार्थना कर रहा हूँ मैं, बाकी और कुछ नहीं. हम सेक्रेटरी सीएम के साथ
ऐसा कहाँ लिखा है इसमें कि सीएम के साथ व्यस्त है? कहाँ लिखा है सेक्रेटरी साहब ने? कृष्णा वेणी देशावतु सचिव गृह ने कहाँ लिखा है कि वो उनके साथ व्यस्त हैं, सीएम साहब के साथ में है, और इस कारण वो जो है फाइल नहीं दे पाए. देखिएगा, एट दिस स्टेज श्री मानसमणि वर्मा सबमिट्स दैट कृष्णा वेणी देशावतु secretary home was busy in a meeting with the chief minister and therefore file could not be handed over to the concerned clerk for its production before this court. Next paragraph. The order sheet which has been produced by Shri Manasmani Verma does not make mention of this fact that the secretary was busy in a meeting with the chief minister of the state and they were discussing the matters pertaining to civil defense of the state, as a result of which he could not hand over the concerned original dispatch register to the concerned clerk, namely Shri Gorelal, for timely production of that register before this court. Full stop. This excuse, next paragraph, this excuse which has been put forth by the state council is lame and appears to be without any basis. Full stop. If this would have been the case, then secretary, being a senior officer of the state, would have mentioned this fact that he was in a meeting with the chief minister. Full stop. This excuse also this excuse is also devoid of merit because it is evident that Shri Yash Soni had expressed that he had communicated the order on 8/5/2025. Full stop. There are no minutes of the meeting enclosed to show that The concerned secretary was in consultation with the chief minister from 8/5/2025 till 11:30 AM on 9/5/2025, so to not to supply the copy of the documents to this court through a messenger. Full stop. Such lame and false excuses cannot form the background for showing indulgence in the matter. Full stop. If a discretion of court is required to be exercised in favor of the state, then the state should approach the court with clean hands. Full stop. In our opinion, state has failed to approach the court with clean hands. Therefore, we decline indulgence and reject the IA for waiving of the cost so imposed on 9/5/2025. चलिए.
I'm grateful.
ये 86, 87 दोनों में सेम ऑर्डर. ये नंबर अलग अलग टाइप करिए. हाँ रख लीजिए. रिकॉर्ड पे क्या करना है तो लौटा दीजिए और इसमें लिख लीजिए ओरिजिनल रिकॉर्ड इज रिटर्न बैक टू श्री. आपका शुभ नाम बताइए. गोरेलाल जी. तो श्री गोरेलाल है.
The copy of the photocopy of the.
फोटोकॉपी आप हमें दे दीजिए आफ्टर कीपिंग अ फोटोकॉपी. एटी एट